Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Figma AI. In order to do so, here we are at figma.com. And what's Figma all about? Well, it helps helps with design and development teams building great products together. And let's just take a look at their site here. You can see for yourself how Figma is allowing you to create a great app or website with your products so that you could sell. So if you're looking for a platform that allows you to create a store and you have all the controls to be able to design the store exactly the way that you want, then you can use Figma. You can see here we could design and refine products with your team in one shared design file. You can give developers the details they need to build efficiently. You can brainstorm, diagram, and visualize your ideas in a shared online whiteboard. And you can co-create and design presentation with advanced editing tools and built-in interactivity. Nearly everything that designers and developers need is available in Figma. Redesign how you design, explore your ideas freely, and iterate quickly. Instantly create mockups to explore a bigger option space. Design consistently with auto layout. Scale your edits instantly. Make prototypes with AI. Embed prototypes in your presentations. Bring design and dev together. Easily translate designs into code with a workflow built for developers. Design systems that scale. Streamline the product development process with a design system that's aligned across design and code. Bring your component code into dev mode so developers can get the right code every time. Focus on the details in focus mode. Let's see if it's gonna, there we go. In focus view, select and inspect a specific design in dev mode, then dig into the details in focus view so you know exactly what to build. Track your progress with design statuses. Stay informed with clear design status update on what's changed, completed, or ready to build, all in dev mode. Build better products together. Everything your team needs to brainstorm, design, and build. And here you can get an idea for what you can do with Figma. Create one source of truth. Everyone can develop seamlessly in one shared file. Designers, developers, copywriters, even external contractors and clients. Talk, chat, comment, communicate via audio or chat to connect quickly within your file. Gather and keep track of feedback with comments. Figma helped us paint the North Star for the whole company. It keeps everyone aligned and excited, and you can get started for free. Let's take a look at the pricing. So you can use the starter subscription for free. And with the starter, you can work on personal projects. You can use some basic design, presentation, and brainstorming tools, and you can try out Figma products. You can do unlimited drafts, UI kits and templates, basic design file inspection. Then from there, we're looking at the professional tier, the organization, and the enterprise. With professional, you have annual plans, but you can also pay monthly, and we're looking at $5 a month for collab seat, $15 for dev seat, and $20 for full seat. Choose professional if you are a professional or part of a small team. You need unlimited files and projects for a single team and want advanced prototyping tools and easier dev handoff. Key features include unlimited files and projects, team-wide design libraries, advanced dev mode inspection. And so here it's a little bit misleading because it seems to indicate that you have unlimited drafts, but if you look, you can see we have a green check mark here, and here it doesn't appear that that is the case. Well, unlimited drafts, okay, unlimited files and projects versus unlimited drafts, UI kits and templates, basic design file inspection. It's a little bit misleading with this green check mark here, but it does seem that with the free plan, you do get access to this at the very least, but a little bit misleading how that's set up. Not sure which seat is right for you. We got you. The collab seat makes it easy to work together. The dev seat gives dev the details they need. The full seat connects your entire workflow. So you can compare all the features here, and if you want to get started with Figma, just click up on Get Started for free, and you can continue with Google or you can continue with your email. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.